You can see this is pretty much the home screen of the application. This is a Jamaican application. So this is pretty much where you can post cars that you're selling, pretty much anything that you want to sell, you can post on this application here. It's called Jacars.net. I think it probably should. I'm not sure if you remember the name is, but anyways. So you can pretty much scroll and look for whichever car you may be interested in. At the top here, they do give you an option whether you want cars, van, buses, trucks, bikes, and you can tap on the category section and see other things which you can look at. So let's say, for example, free stuffs, although you're not going to see that in Jamaica. But anyways, let's say meanwhile you be interested in a car. As you can see, you can tap on this option and pretty much look what they have up for sale. As you can see here, you have a lot of options you can choose from. I'm talking about choose from, but you can pretty much scroll and look for what you want. So the VIP options are pretty much people promoting the cars. So you can pay for 30-day promotion. I'm not sure how much the price is. I think it's about $5,000, or it could be less. I don't remember the exact amount, but you can tap on the new ads option. Once you do tap on that, you'll be able to upload your ads or upload what you want to sell on the platform. And do make sure you log in. You can either use your phone number, you can sign in with WhatsApp to log in. So once you have logged in, you'll be able to post your ads similar to how these are. So these are VIP ads which people pretty much pay. So you can pay, let's say, $5,000, as I said before, to pretty much promote your ads, and it will pretty much show at the top. And as well, you can search for cars and pretty much look for what you want. And let's say I'm interested in this vehicle here. For example, this one here, I can tap on it, and as you can see here, you can see some pics of the vehicle and so forth. As you can see here, and as well, you can tap on the X option there. You can see some more information as it relates to the vehicle, gearbox, seats, type of vehicle, here, right and left-hand drive. As you can see here, pretty much everything as it relates to that. And as well, they do give you the option where you can message the seller via WhatsApp or straight call if you want to give them a straight call, or you can pretty much go ahead and start speaking with them. Now, do keep in mind you can encounter scammers, so do make sure you read this here, pretty much tips on how to stay protected or as it relates to scammers and so forth. So if you do tap on this here, we'll just give you redirect to Google Chrome or whatever browser you have, and give you an explanation of how to protect yourself while browsing at this platform here. So a very good platform if you're gonna look for cars, and so if you want to promote products that you're selling, or if you want to sell your cars as well, you can pretty much use this application here and promote your ads as well. So if you want to let it pretty much sell your product or your car fast, you can go tap on the new ads option and pay for promotion. So very good application. So that's really pretty much it for this video, guys. If you miss anything at all, and as well, you can pretty much add any one of these cars that you may be interested in as your favorite by just tapping on this here. So that's really pretty much it. If I miss anything, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.